Hey YouTube, Jets46 here, coming at you guys with another video, and today it'll be a Norwegian Boeing 787-8 unboxing and review. Kind of already opened this because I actually started filming it and then realized I'm out of storage, which is kind of weird because I have 256 gigabytes, but I ran out of storage. Like, what? So yeah. So I'm sorry about it, kind of already opened it. And if I sound different, it's because I had to get, those stupid bands for braces, and, so yeah, that really kind of sucks. Nobody likes braces. Just saying. Alright. So yeah, it's a Norwegian 787-8. This is a new camera view, just, a bit of a change. So this is from a private owner. Here is the model. It's like freezing cold. Alright. There it is. Let's just bring this over here. I am getting to my airport a lot faster than I expected. So it's probably going to be before March 1st when I finish it. So, yeah. I'll get an update out when it's 100% complete, like terminals, ground stuff, and yeah. So it's looking pretty lit right now. I'm staring at it. I'm like, oh, I have the best airport in the world. I'm just kidding. This is a Phoenix model, Boeing 787-9, Norwegian 787. We get this quite frequently because it goes to London Gatwick, I believe, and crap, Paris Charles de Gaulle. I am so freaking retarded. But yeah, so computer-generated model, Norwegian. There's one side, the heart of aviation, telling you that you're looking at a model. That's Chinese because, everything's produced in China. I like how they make their models, so shout out to China. Is this a 9 or an... Oh, it is a 9. Oh, let's go. Because I thought it was an 8, and I was, really pissed. I was like, I'm so retarded. I was like, this looks a little big for an 8. Because we get the 9 here. So, yeah. Alright, here is the one and gorgeous and only model I'll ever love in my airport. Just kidding. That Lufthansa's pretty hot. Norwegian.com. Landing gear's a little like, whoa. Guess it's sideways on 787s. Alright, we're good. Kind of have limited space here. So I already have a gate for this model at my airport. So we're set in stone. And so yeah, I'm thinking, so this will be today's video. Next video will be Eagle, Colorado. Hopefully after that, my airport will be ready. I'm sorry for the other requests, but, yeah. Also, if you haven't already, go subscribe to Gemini Jets 101. He's my cousin, but, Go subscribe to him because it's a cool channel, and he is starting back up with the, live, Flight Radar 24. Maybe he'll buy some Gemini Jets. I don't know, but shout out to him. Those... Over there, Norwegian.com, the 2 boarding doors. I'm actually going to be mad if Norwegian goes out of business because, honestly, it's like an awesome airline. I don't think it will, though. The gorgeous wings that come with 787s, the 2 engines, not used as a boarding door, but emergency exit door, and also could be used as a boarding door. I don't know who's on the back. Greta, I can't even read the last word, but Greta something. So yeah, Norwegian has about 2 flights, 1 or 2 flights a day, I'm pretty sure. Lufthansa has 3, British Airways has 1 or 2. Yeah, so we get quite a few internationals. We have, what's the airline? We have Cayman Air starting soon, so, that's new airline, new excitement, international. Frontier has 186 domestic destinations. I'm just going through Wikipedia like 10 years later. I'm like, oh, okay, next airline, nice. It's ridiculous how many Frontier flights they have. And they only all 10 gates and I don't know. So yeah, here's the model. It's extremely gorgeous. I'm going to go put it on my airport right after this. I did also get a United 757. I'm not going to do a review on it, I don't think. Maybe in the future if I need a video topic, but yeah. So hopefully my airport update will be in a couple weeks. So yeah, look out for that. It'll be titled Denver International Airport Update Number 1. Very realistic. You should check it out. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please drop a like on the video and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.